Hi, my name's Gail. I'm the dietitian for the Learning Disability Service, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper flower like the one up here. So all you need for this is 6 pieces of A4 paper, a pair of scissors, a stapler and some staples, and some string or ribbon or something to hang it up. So the first thing that you need to do is take one of your pieces of paper and you fold one corner over to the straight side and make a crease in the paper, just like that. The next thing that we're going to do is take our scissors and carefully cut along the straight edge. So might need some help with this if you don't have a steady hand. Okay, so that leaves us with a square, and we don't need this bit, so put it aside, use it for writing your shopping list or something. So we want to take our square bit of paper and we want to fold it over again to make a triangle, and then fold the triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. Okay, so we've got a small triangle. Then we want to hold our triangle at the pointy bit so that it opens like this, okay? And we want to take our scissors and we're going to make 3 cuts in our paper. We're going to start at the bottom edge and cut up the way towards the point, but we don't want to cut through the edge, okay? So carefully, 3 cuts, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to open it out into our big square where we can see we've got lots of cut out arrow shapes. Okay, so this is a really tricky bit and it takes a little bit of patience and a little bit of practice. But what we're going to do is we're going to carefully take our stapler and we're going to take the 2 smallest arrows and we're going to staple them together. Make sure your fingers are out of the way, and then we're going to flatten it out a little bit so that we've got a little tube in the middle of our paper. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to take the next 2 smallest arrows and we're going to staple them together. So this is the bit where you need a bit of patience and a bit of practice, because sometimes it's hard to hold on to the paper. And we're going to staple those together. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over again and we're going to take the next 2 arrows and we're going to staple them together. And then we're going to flip it over for the last time and take our biggest 2 arrows and we're going to staple them together. Okay, so this is the bit where you get annoyed with me. We need to do this 5 more times, okay? So, because we're on video, I've already done 5 more, okay? So we need 6 petals in total, and we're going to gather them all up with the points together, okay? So if we make sure that all the points are stuck together, and the last one, and then we're going to put a little staple through all 6 petals. Okay, so we can see our flower starting to take shape. The next thing that we're going to do is take the biggest arrows of 2 of our petals and staple them together. Okay, so there should already be 2 staples there in each individual petal. But we're going to put them together and put another staple in. Then we're going to move round to the next petal and we're going to do the same. So we take the 2 biggest arrows, put them together and then staple them. And we're going to keep going right the way round the flower, stapling each of the petals together and being really careful not to get our fingers. So I think I've just got 2 more to go. So there's our flower, and we just need to cut a little bit of string. The dog's barking. And we just put it through one of the petals and tie it at the top. And just a little knot. And there we go. We've got a hanging flower.